Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you a Ganesh Chaturthi look. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the Garden Party moisturizer which I will be using. I will moisturize my face first. It smells so good. Then I will be using this Insight primer to prime my face. First I will be applying the primer wherever I need priming on my face. After priming my face, I will be using my favorite foundation, the Fit Me foundation. I will apply it. Then I will be using this Swiss Beauty concealer. Then I will apply some powder wherever I have concealed. I will just brush my eyebrows today. And then I will be applying tapes on both the sides. I will be using green and red mixture because I am wearing the same suit today. So we'll apply the same on the other side. I am applying some concealer. I will take some red color and smudge it. Now from the Miniso palette, I will be applying this whitey shade. It's like a glitter, so it will give a good look to my face. So I will be applying this. Now I will be applying some mascara. I will remove the excessive whatever is on the brush this way. After that, I will be applying this blush. Now I will be applying this matte lipstick. I will be leaving the link in the description box from where I have bought these earrings. You can check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday. Stay tuned.